ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬ ሶልቪንግ ራሽናል ኢኩዌሽንስ ኤንድ ኢንኢኳሊቲስ የሚለውን ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። ብዙዎች የ11 ክፍል ተማሪዎች፣ ለ12 ለሪሚዲያል ተማሪዎች እንዲሁም ለዩኒቨርሲቲ ፍሬሽማን ስቱደንትስ ቨሪ ነሰሰሪ እና አስፈላጊ የሆነውን ጥያቄዎች ይዤ መጥቻለሁ። እንደዚሁም ብዙ ጊዜ በስህተት የምትሰሩባቸውንም ኬዞች እንዲቴል አሳያለሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እንደሚከተለው እናያለን። Before we are dealing or solving equation and inequality, what meant by equations? Equation ማለት ምን ማለት ነው የሚለው ስናይ if of a rational function f of x over g of x is equals to something. If there is equal sign, we call this is equations እንለዋለን። Not only is equal 0 ላይሆን ይችላል, is equal to some functions. For instance, f of x over g of x is equals to maybe some h of x over L of x, where g of x and L of x are different from 0, where g of x different from 0, at the same time L of x is different from 0. So that's so we call this is rational equations in the law. When say that inequality, that case we have what? Some function f of x over g of x is less than or equal. It may be greater or equal. It may be greater than or less than, it may be greater than of something. Let's be 0, 0, 0, 0, we can say. This we call inequalities, rational inequalities. Or we may express these other forms. Here is f of x over g of x is less than some h of x over lx, or it may be greater or equal this one. It may be less than or equal this one. It may be strictly greater than this one. We call this is rational inequalities. Inequalities እንለዋለን። ለምን ሆነ? With this case there is less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater or equal. Inequality sign ስላለ in between we call this is rational inequalities እንለዋለን። At the same time that g of x must be different from 0. At the same time this L of x must be different from 0. ለምን defined እንዲሆንና meaningless እንዳይሆን ወይም it is well defined እንዲሆን the domain of this function must be what? The denominator different from 0 መሆን አለበት ብለናል። denominator 0 ከሆነ undefined ስለሚሆን ማለት ነው። So this is what meant by equation and what meant by inequalities የሚለውን እናያለን። equation ስንል equal sign መኖር አለበት ነው between the functions or two or more rational functions. In case of inequality ስንል ግን inequality sign not equal ማለት ነው። That means it may be less than, it may be greater than, it may be less than or equal, it may be greater or equal የሚለው sign between functions ካለ we call that is rational inequalities እንላለን። Rational inequality. Let us see examples of this. እነዚህ from review exercise ላይ ያለውን የአራተኛው ስንጀምር solve each of the following rational equations it say from your textbook, particularly from grade 11. የመጀመሪያው ምናል x plus 4 over x plus 3 is equals to. Before we are solving this problem, first restrict its domain. What's the domain of A? The first one. Using domains knows domain of the first, this x is the set of real number. Domain of this one is the set of real number except -3 ስለሆነ domain of this sum ምን ይሆናል? All real number except what? Except -3 ይሆናል ማለት denominator ዜሮ ከሚያደርገው ውጭ ያለው ይሆናል። Or you can say that x is an element of real number. Say that x is different from -3 ማለት እንችላለን። ስለዚህ ሶልቭ ስናደርግ -3 ቢመጣ we exclude that one. ያንን ሶሉሽን ብለን አንወስድም ማለት ነው። After that let's try to solve this one. እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ LCM ስንኖር for denominator x plus 3 is the LCM. So we multiply this x by x plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 2 ብለን ሶልቭ እናደርጋለን። Solve this. This means x plus 4 over x plus 3 is equals to, it says 2. Let's collect the left side. It becomes x plus 3 is the LCM for this rational function. It is 1. X plus 3 divided by 1, x plus 3. So times x ሲሆን this is x into x plus 3 ይሆናል plus this x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 1 ስለሚሆን 1 times 4 that is 4 ይሆናል which is equals to 2. After that, distribute this multiplication of x over addition. X times x, this is equals x squared plus x times 3, that is 3x plus 4 over what? Over here is x plus 3 is equals to 2 ይሆናል it is understood that over 2 we have 1 አለን ማለት after that crisscross these results ይህን result crisscross ስናደርግ quite far ምን ይኖረናል ይሄ ማለት this is x square plus 3x plus 4 is equals to 2 times x plus 3 ይሆናል ማለት solve this is equals x square plus 3x plus 4 is equals to distribute this one over addition 2 times x that is 2x plus 2 times 3 ምን ይሆናል 6 ይሆናል take this one to the left side or the left side ስንወስድ 2x ምን ይሆናል minus 2x ይሆናል 6 also minus 6 ይሆናል this is equals to x square plus 3x minus 2x that is x 4 minus 6 that is negative 2 is equals to 0 ይሄ quadratic equation ስለሆነ we can find two numbers whose sum is 1 their product negative 2 የሆነ ሁለት ቁጥሮች እንፈልጋለን ወይም we can apply general quadratic formula apply በማድረግ solve ማድረግ እንችላለን so what x square plus this is 2x minus x minus 2 is equals to 0 when you take these two terms the common one is x plus 2 when you take the last two terms the common one is negative 1 ይጋራቸው negative 1 ሆና what x plus 2 ይኖረናል ማለት which is equals to 0 in observe scenario in between we have x plus 2 is common this implies x plus 2 times x minus 1 is equals to 0 what the value of x now this implies that x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0 ስለሆነ x is equals to negative 2 or x is equals to 1 ይሆናል plus the solution for this is this one after that you can check it whether it satisfies or not ይሄ ሶሉሽን ነው ለማለት ሶሉሽኑን ቼክ ማድረግ አስፈላጊ ይሆናል ከዶሜናችን ውስጥ ነው አይደለም የሚለውን ቼክ እና yes it is included in our domain ዶሜናችን except negative 3 ስለሆነ negative 2 እና 1 ደግሞ different from negative 3 ስለሆነ it is under our domainaችን ውስጥ ነው let's check it whether it satisfies or not check እናደርጋለን check scenario when x is equals to negative 2 what the value now we have negative 2 plus 4 over negative 2 plus 3 in solve scenario which is equals negative 2 plus 4 over negative 2 plus 3 means 4 ስለሚሆን it is 4 negative 2 plus 4 is equals to 2 yes it is correct ነው ማለት similarly let's check 1 check እናደርጋለን this becomes 1 plus 4 over this is when x is equals to 4 over 1 plus 3 ይሆናል which is equals 1 plus 4 over 4 means 1 ስለሆነ 1 ሲደመር 1 ምን ይሆናል 2 ይሆናል yes it is correct therefore the solution for this one is ምን ይሆናል x is equals negative 2 or x is equals 1 እንላለን ማለት maybe solution set ከተዋል solution set we put it under the set notation በset notation ውስጥ እናስገባለን that means negative 2 comma 1 is the solution set for our problem እንላለን ማለት ነው ለዚህ ኢኩዌሽናችን solution ሴቱ negative 2 እና 1 ይሆናል ይሄንንም በሴት ኖቴሽን ውስጥ ማስቀመጥ አለብን ሶልቭ ከተባለ ግን የኤክስን ቫልዩ x is equal negative 2 or x is equals 1 ብለን ኤክስፕረስ ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት let us see the second one when solve this one as we did before what is the domain for this one የዚህኛውን domain observe ስናደርግ for b case of b domain is equals the set of all real number except the zeros of the denominator denominatorችን ጋር x ነው የኛው x square ነው both must be different from there መሆን አለበት ማለት different from there or this is equals x is element of real number say that x is different from 0 ብለን express ማድረግ እንችላለን ስለዚህ LCMችን x square ስለሆነ we can take this one this x square is divided by 1 እዚህ ጋር 1 አለን it is understood x square divided by 1 x square ይሆናል x square times 1 that is x square ይሆናል x square divided by 4 this x it is x ይሆናል x times negative 5 ይሆናል minus 5x ይሆናል minus x square divided by x square 1 ስለሆነ 1 ሲባዛ በ6 ምን ይሆናል 6 ይሆናል this is 6 is equals to 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው so what for in solve scenario this is true when x square minus 5x minus 6 is equals to 0 times x square 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው ይሄን ካል still it is quadratic equation ይሆናል if it is quadratic equation ከሆነ the sum of two number negative 5 and their product negative 6 ሲደመሩ negative 5 ሲባዙ negative 6 የሚሆኑ ሁለት ቁጥሮች መፈለግ ወይም general quadratic formula apply በማድረግ ይሄን ሶሉሽን ወይም ሶልቭ ማድረግ እንችላለን let's see this is equals x square minus this is 6x plus x minus 6 is equals to 0. Negative 5x ማለት negative 6x ሲደመር x ስለሆነ we can express such forms. Let's see these two terms at same time the last two terms. እዚህ consider ስናደርግ የጋራ ምን ይኖርናል? x ይኖርናል. This is equals x into x minus 6 plus when take the common one for x and negative 6 we have 1 into x minus 6 is equals to 0 ይሆናል። ይህን ሶልቭ ስናደርግ what wow see x minus 6 የጋራ ስለሆነ this means x minus 6 times here is x plus 1 is equals to 0 ይሆናል። what does apply? ይህ ምን ያሳያል? እዚህ ጋር ኦርደር ስናደርግ this means x is equals to 6 or x is equals to negative 1 the solution for this system ይሆናል ማለት the solution for this rational equation የዚህ rational equation solution ይሆናል ማለት before we are taking this as a solution first we will try to check whether it satisfies or not check እናደርጋለን check ስናደርግ when this x is equals to 6 ሲሆን check እናደርጋለን substitute here this means 1 minus 5 over 6 minus here is 6 over 6 square means 36 ይሆናል which is equals 1 minus 5 over 6 this is 6 over 36 by 6 this is 1 by 6 ስለሚሆን this equals 1 over 6 so this becomes 1 minus 5 minus 1 over 6 ስለሚሆን negative 6 over 6 ይሆናል this is equals 0 ይሆናል yes it is correct ያደርጋል ማለት ስቴትመንታችን the second one check ስናደርግ when our x is equals to negative 1 ሲሆንም check እናደርጋለን when x is negative 1 at this time here we have 1 minus it is 5 over negative 1 minus 6 over negative 1 square ይሆናል which is equals 1 negative 5 divided by negative 1 no, that is 5 ይሆናል minus this one is 6 minus 6 it is equals to 0 again it satisfies therefore the value of x that satisfies the given equation becomes ምን ይሆናል x is equals 6 or x is equals negative 1 እንላለን ማለት አስፈላጊ ከሆነ solution set ከተባል you have to put it inside the solution the set notation በሴት ኖቴሽን ውስጥ ማስቀመጥ አለብን solution set this becomes negative 1 6 ብለን ኤክስፕረስ እናደርጋለን ማለት ሶሉሽን ሴት ስለዚህ የተጠየቅነውን ጥያቄ በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ሶልቭ ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው let us see the next questions now it says that 3x over x plus 4 plus 2 over x squared plus 6x plus 8 is equals 1 over x plus 2 ይላል ይሄን ሶልቭ ለማድረግ as we did before እንደሰራነው መጀመሪያ ዶሜን ሪስትሪክት እናደርጋለን this is what a combination of three functions ሊሆን this is 3x over x plus 4 አለ 2 over x squared plus 6x plus 8 አለ is equals 1 over x plus 2 ስለሚል the domain must be the intersection of all of them የነዚህ ሁሉም የጋራ ወይም ኢንተርሴክሽናቸውን ዶሜን እንፈልጋለን ማለት this is equals all real number except የመጀመሪያው ስናይ x must be different from negative 4 ይሆናል ሁለተኛው ስናይ x must be different from what negative 2 ይሆናል what about this one x square plus 6x plus 8 is equals 0 የሚያደርገው ፋክተር ስንፈልግ this becomes x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8 is equals to 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው what are the factors in order now the factors are x plus 4 and times x plus 2 x plus 2 and x plus 4 ምንድናቸው ፋክተር ናቸው so the domain is a set of real number except negative 4 and negative 2 ይሆናል ማለት this is the domain or as you said before this is the value x is element of real number say that x different from negative 4 and negative 2 ብለን express ማድረግ እንችላለን ይሄን ካልን በኋላ let's try to solve our equationችን solve እናደርጋለን for the LCM for this denominator እዚህ ጋር x plus 4 ሚላለን እዚህ ጋር x squared plus 6x plus 8 አለን እዚህ ጋር x plus 2 አለ ለሁሉም የጋራ የሚሆነው ማን ነው x squared plus 6x plus 8 ይሆናል ማለት ነው so this implies x squared plus 6x plus 8 this divided by 4x plus 4 ለx plus 4 ስናካፍል ይሄኛው x plus 4 times x plus 2 ስለሆነ ሚኖር x plus 2 ይሆናል so this becomes 3x into x plus 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው ለሁለተኛው x square plus 6x plus 8 divided by itself ምን ይሆናል 1 ስለሚሆን 1 times 2 ምን ይሆናል which is equals 2 ይሆናል is equals to last one this x square plus 6x plus 8 divided by 4x plus 2 ምን ይሆናል x plus 4 ስለሚሆን x plus 4 times what 1 ምን ይሆናል this is x plus 4 over what over here is x square plus 6x plus 8 ይሆናል ማለት in term after obtaining this one since they have the same denominator and the denominator value that means x plus 4 x plus 2 we can take what equate የሚሆኑት denominatorቸው ተመሳሳይ ስለሆነ we can equate what equate ብናደርገው ማለት ነው denominatorቸውን equate እናደርጋለን ማለት to be equal since we have a over b is equals c over b this is true if and only if መቼ ነው ይሄ እውነት የሚሆነው a እና c እኩል ሲሆኑ ነው denominatorቸው the same ስለሆነ that is b different from 0 so this is equals 3x square plus 6 times 2 that is 6x plus 2 is equals to x plus 4 ይሆናል ማለት ነው now collect terms together like terms እንሰበስብ which is equals 3x square 6x minus x ይሆናል this is 5x 2 minus 4 that is negative 2 is equals to 0 this shows that you will try to find the two numbers whose sum 5 ድምራቸው 5 የሚሆን ሲባዙ negative 6 የሚሆን ሁለት ቁጥሮች ስንፈልግ what are the numbers are 6 and negative 1 ይሆናል ማለት this is equals 3x square plus 6x minus x minus 2 is equals to 0 ይሆናል ጋር from the first two terms ምን አለ የጋራ 3x የጋራ ይኖርና 3x into x plus 2 the last two terms ጋር observe ስናደርግ what is common የጋራ ምን ሆናል negative 1 ስለሚኖረን x plus 2 is equals to 0 ይሆናል ማለት now let's try to find the value for x እዚህ ጋር observe ስናደርግ x plus 2 የጋራ ስላለን we can take here is x plus 2 times 3x minus 1 is equals to 0 ይሆናል what the value of x x value x is equals negative 2 or x is equals to 1 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው ሶሉሽን እናደርግ observe ስናደርግ negative 2 ምንድነው ዶሜናችን ውስጥ አይደለም except negative 2 ስለሚሆን we can't consider this as solution ይሄን ሶሉሽን መውሰድ አንችልም ለምን negative 2 ስንተካ a number divided by 0 or undefined ስለሚያደርግ we can't consider this one ይሄን consider አናደርግ it is not solution since it is not in our domain ስለዚህ ሶሉሽን መሆን የሚችለው ማለት ነው x is equals 1 over 3 ነው if you want to have to check it check ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ let's substitute this 1 over 3 1 over 3 substitute ስናደርግ 3 times 1 over 3 ምን ይሆናል መጀመሪያው ላይ ስንተካ 1 ይሆናል over x plus 4 that means 1 over 3 plus 4 means LCM 3 ስለሚሆን 13 over 3 ይሆናል 13 over 3 ይሆናል plus here is 2 over x square means 1 over 3 square that is 1 over 9 plus 6 times 1 over 3 means that is 2 plus 8 ይሆናል this shows that 3 over 13 plus 1 over 9 ስለሆነ 2 plus 8 is 10 ይሆናል 10 ባዛ በ9 90 ይሆናል 90 ሲደመራል 91 ይሆናል so this becomes reciprocal notes this is 18 over 91 ይሆናል ማለት this is 91 when you take this LCM of this የነዚህ LCM 13 እና 91 ነው LCM ስንወስድ it is 91 ይሆናል 91 divided by 13 ምን ይሆናል 7 times 3 that is 21 plus 91 divided by 91 1 ስለሆነ 1 times 18 that is 18 this is equals to 39 over 91 ይሄን ይሆናል 39 by 13 በ13 እናካፍለው it is 3 ይሆናል እኛው በ13 እናካፍል it is 7 ይሆናል this is equal 3 over 7 ሆነ ማለት ነው as it equals to this one እዚህ ጋር ይሆናል አይሆንም የሚለውን ቼክ ለማድረግ again let's try to substitute አንድ ሶስተኛን እዚህ ጋር እንተካለን which is 1 over 3 plus here is 2 which is equals 1 over 3 plus 2 means what the same here is 3 ስለሚሆን 3 ሲባዛ በ2 6 ይሆናል 6 ሲደመራል 7 ይሆናል 7 over 3 means which is equals 3 over 7 this is equals what obtained there equal set therefore the value for x is the correct answer for this one x is equals to 1 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ሶልቭ ማድረግ እንችላለን solution set ከተባለ as we said before ቀድመን እንዳለው ምን ማድረግ እንችላለን in the set በሴት ኖቴሽን ውስጥ 1/3 ብለን በዚህ መንገድ ማስቀመጥ እንችላለን። ስለዚህ ማንኛውንም rational equation solve ለማድረግ first restrict የምናደርገው domain restrict እናደርጋለን። restrict ካደረግን በኋላ we'll try to find the LCM ማቸውን እንፈልጋለን and we perform all the properties that we know የምናውቃቸውን የsolve የማድረግ ሲስተሞችን apply እናደርጋለን። ሶሉሽኑን በዛ አይነት መንገድ ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ሶሉሽን ወይም ሶልቭ አድርገን የምናገኘው x ቫሉ ዶሜናችን ውስጥ ካለ we take it as a solution by checking that whether it satisfies or not satisfy ያደርጋል አያደርግም ኢኩዌሽናችንን ቼክ በማድረግ ሶሉሽን መውሰድ እንችላለን። ነገር ግን ሶልቭ ስናደርግ ዶሜናችን ውስጥ የሌለ ቫሉ ልናገኝ እንችላለን። ያ ከሆነ ደግሞ ኤክስክሉድ እናደርጋለን። እሱን ኤክስክሉድ በማድረግ ወይም ሳናካትት ሌሎቹን እዛ ዶሜን ውስጥ ያሉትን ብቻ በማካተት ሶሉሽኑ ይሄ ነው ማለት እንችላለን። ስለዚህ ኢኩዌሽኑን በዛ አይነት ሶልቭ ማድረግ እንችላለን። ቻናሉን ሼር፣ ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ሌሎች እንዲደርስ እንድታደርጉ እንጠይቃለን። let's see the next one። ቀጥለን inequality የሚለውን እናያለን። solve each of the following rational inequalities። inequality እንግዲህ ምን እንደሆነ less than, greater than, less than or equal or greater or equal ወይም not equal የሚል ምልክት ያለበት ማለት ነው። ያ ከሆነ inequality እንለዋለን። ስለዚህ rational inequality እንዴት ሶልቭ እናደርጋለን የሚለውን let's start from the first one። ከመጀመሪያው እንጀምራለን። it says that x plus 3 over x minus 1 greater than 0 ይላል። ይሄ ማለት if a over b greater than 0 means መቼ ነው የሚሆነው? when a and b are what? Both are greater than 0 ከ0 ሲበልጡ ወይም at the same time a and b are less than 0 ሁለቱም ከ0 ሲያንሱ ምን ይሆናል? ሬሾአቸው greater than 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ አድቫይስ ማድረጋችሁ እንደዚህ አይነት ፕሮብሌሞች አፒር ሲያደርጉ ሶልቭ ብታደርጉ የሚሻለው ምን ይሆናል? the zeros of numerator እና denominator በመፈለግ ሳይን ቻርት አፕላይ ብታደርጉ this is the easiest way። ሁለት ኬዝ ከመጠቀም easiest wayውን በሳይን ቻርት ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። let us see together እንደሚከተለው እናያለን። the zeros of this to apply this sign chart what are the zeros of this? የዚህን ዜሮስ እንፈልግ ኑሜሬተራችን 0 የሚያደርገው -3 ነው። ዲኖሚኔተራችን 0 የሚያደርገው 1 ነው። so the domain is what? the set of real number except ምን ይሆናል? 1 ይሆናል ማለት ዲኖሚኔተሩን 0 ከሚያደርገው ውጭ። so this implies the zeros are -3 and 1. so the numerator x plus 3 it at -3 ላይ ምን ይሆናል? 0 ይሆናል። ከ-3 ሌፍት ሳይድ ማንኛውም ቁጥር ብንወስድ ለምሳሌ -4 ብትወስዱ -4 ሲደመር 3 እና -1 ይሆናል። ያ ማለት at the left side ኔጌቲቭ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። at the right side it is positive 0 መውሰድ ይችላልላችሁ። 0 plus 3 ነው። 3 ማለት ፖዚቲቭ ነው ማለት ሳይኑ ፖዚቲቭ ይሆናል። when consider x minus 1 ቼክ ስናደርግ at 1 ላይ 0 ይሆናል። at the left of 1 ማለት 0 ቼክ ማድረግ ይችላል። 0 ሲቀነስ 1 -1 ስለሚሆን it is negative at the left. at the right again it is positive ነው የሚሆነው። you have to take 2 minus 1 is positive። ሳይኑን ነው የምናየው። ሳይን ማለት is it positive ነው ኔጌቲቭ ነው ወይስ 0 ነው ብለን ቼክ እናደርጋለን። after that it show that it is greater than ስለሚል take the ratio of them እነዚህን ሬሽዮ እንወስዳለን። that means x plus 3 divided by x minus 1 at the left of -3 ምን አለን? ይሄኛውም ኔጌቲቭ ነው ይሄኛውም ኔጌቲቭ ነው። ኔጌቲቭ divided by ኔጌቲቭ ምን ይሆናል? it is positive ይሆናል ማለት it is positive። at -3 ላይ ኑሜሬተራችን 0 ይሆናል። ዲኖሚኔተራችን ግን ኔጌቲቭ ስለሆነ 0 ሲካፈል ለኔጌቲቭ ነምበር ምን ይሆናል? it is negative ይሆናል ማን ነው 0 ይሆናል። between -3 እና 1 ቼክ ስናደርግ ሂርዋ ፖዚቲቭ አለን እዚህ ጋር ኔጌቲቭ አለን። ፖዚቲቭ divided by ኔጌቲቭ the result is negative ይሆናል። እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ at 1 ላይ x plus 3 ፖዚቲቭ ስለሚሆን at 1 ላይ ዲኖሚኔተራችን 0 ስለሚሆን ፖዚቲቭ divided by 0 ስናደርግ ምን ይሆናል? undefined ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ለምን? ፖዚቲቭ divided by 0 ስለሚሆን a number cannot be divided by 0 መካፈል አይችልም ብለናል። so it is undefined። at the right side of 1 ስንመጣ it is plus ፖዚቲቭ ነው ይሄኛው ፖዚቲቭ ነው። ፖዚቲቭ divided by ፖዚቲቭ it is positive። እዚህኛው የምንፈልገው ምንድነው? greater than 0 ስለሆነ greater than 0 ማለት ደግሞ ፖዚቲቭ ማለት ነው። ፖዚቲቭ የሚሆነው መቼ ነው? therefore the solution for our problem becomes x is less than -3 or x is greater than 1 የሚለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይሄ ይሆናል this is solution for our problem or if you want you have to put it intervalን በመጠቀም ሶልቭ ማድረግ እንችላለን ወይም ማሳየት እንችላለን። x less than -3 means -infinity to -3 open interval union 1 to positive infinity ይሆናል ማለት this is the solution for this problem ለዚህ ፕሮብለም ሶሉሽናችን ይሄ ይሆናል ለምን ይሄ ሆነ ምክንያቱም greater than 0 ስለሚል we can't include this closed interval አናረግም at -3 እና at 1 ዋን ላይ ዲፋይንድ አይደለም -3 ንም ኢንክሉድ ያደርግም ለምን it is greater than strictly greater than ስለሆነ we take only what the positive value ብቻ ነው የምንወስደው ሁለተኛውን observation that is b it says that 2x over x minus 4 is less than or equal 1 ይላል let's take this one to the left side ስንወስደው ይሄ equivalent to this is 2x over x minus 4 minus 1 is less than or equal 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው ይሄኛውን ወደ left side ስንወስደው ኔጌቲቭ ይሆናል after that take the LCM for this one LCMችን x minus 4 ስለሚሆን which is equals 2x minus x minus 4 over what x minus 4 ይሆናል less than or equal 0 let's try to simplify እናድርገው መጀመሪያ 2x minus x that is x ይሆናል minus 1 times minus 4 ይሆናል that is plus 4 ስለሚሆን plus 4 over x minus 4 less than or equal 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው ይሄኛው in other word or in other way በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ኤክስፕረስ አድርገን after we express in such forms let's try to apply sign chart apply እናደርጋለን since the zeros of numerator እና denominatorችን ይታወቃል x plus 4 numeratorችን ነው denominatorችን x minus 4 ነው domain restrict ስናደርግ all real number except 4 so from this domain of this rational function is equals to all real number except here is 4 the zeros of the denominator and we apply sign chart as we did before sign chart apply እናደርጋለን the zeros of numerator that is -4 the denominator is 4 so x plus 4 at -4 ላይ ምን ሆነ 0 ይሆናል at the left of -4 this is negative ነው የሚሆነው at the right it is positive check it by taking arbitrary number ከ-4 left side የሚባል ማንኛውንም ቫልዩ በመውሰድ ቼክ ማድረግ ስላላችሁ it is negative ነው at -4 ላይ 0 ይሆናል at the right positive ይሆናል similarly x minus 4 it is 0 at 4 ላይ 0 ይሆናል at the left it is negative no at the right side it is positive can put it like this after we did this it is division ስለሆነ we divide this x plus 4 by x minus 4 have the side in observation እናደርግ what ምን አለን እዚህ ጋር negative divide by negative ምን ይሆናል it is positive ይሆናል 0 divide by negative ስንወስድ it is negative 0 ይሆናል 0 divide by negative 0 ይሆናል positive divide by negative between negative 4 እና 4 መካከል positive negative ስለሆነ positive divide by negative it is negative ይሆናል at this case at 4 ላይ numeratorችን positive ነው denominatorችን 0 ስለሆነ positive divide by 0 it is undefined ይሆናል at the right side of 4 ስንወስድ ሁለቱም positive ስለሆኑ positive divide by positive it is positive ይሆናል ማለት positive ይሆናል የምንፈልገው ምንድነው less than or equal 0 ማለት 0 መሆን ወይም ደግሞ less than means ምን ማለት ነው ከ0 ማይነስ ማለት ኔጌቲቭ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ we take negative values ቢሆን ፖዚቲቭን ኢንክሉድ አናደርግም ስለዚህ 0 የሚሆንበትና ኔጌቲቭ የሚሆንበት ቫልዩ ስንወስድ what the value of x ምን ይሆናል -4 less than or equal x is less than 4 ይሆናል this is our solution this is solution for x value ይሆናል solution set you ከተባለም the same ይሄው ነው የሚሆነው ነገር ግን we can express this in the form of interval expression እናደርግ we include -4ን include ያደርጋል ነገር ግን 4ን exclude በማድረግ open interval በማድረግ በዚህ አይነት መንገድ መግለጽ እንችላለን this is the way of expressing the solution for the rational inequalities የrational inequalityያችንን solution በዚህ አይነት መንገድ መግለጽ እንችላለን ማለት ነው ለምን በኔጌቲቭ 4 እና 4 መካከል ወሰድን ምክንያቱም less than or equal 0 ብለን ስለወሰድን less than or equal 0 ማለት 0 መሆን ወይም ኔጌቲቭ መሆን ማለት ነው let us continue to the next one the next one it says 1 verse 3 let's take c minus 2 over x square greater or equal 5 over 3x ይላል again we collect them together in one side እንወስዳቸዋለን እዚህ ይሄ ማለት 1 verse 3 minus 2 over x square minus 5 over 3x is greater or equal 0 ይሆናል ማለት 5 over 3x to the left side ስንወስደው ይሄ ይሆናል domain restrict ስናደርግ ምን ይሆናል x square እዛለን እዚህ 3x ስላለን x all real number except what the zeros መሆን አለበት ወይም ደግሞ the zeros of denominator ስለሆነ all real number domainችን except 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ለምን ዲኖሚኔተራችን 0 የሚሆነው at 0 ላይ ስለሆነ። after that let's collect them by taking the LCM of this የነዚህን LCM ስንወስድ what the LCM it becomes 3x squared LCM ማችን ይሆናል 3x squared divided by 3 ስንወስድ it becomes what x squared ይሆናል x squared times 1 x squared ይሆናል 3x squared divided by x squared ምን ይሆናል 3 ስለሚሆን 3 times negative 2 negative 6 ይሆናል minus 3x squared divided by 3x ስናደርግ ምን ይሆናል x ይሆናል x times negative 5 this becomes negative 5x is greater or equal 0 እንላለን ማለት ነው so if it is possible let's try to factorize the numerator numeratorችን ስንወስድ it becomes x squared minus 5x minus 6 over 3x squared ይሆናል ማለት ነው this is greater or equal 0 as we did before the sum is negative 5 and productቸው negative 6 የሚሆኑ ሁለት ቁጥሮች ስንወስድ negative 6 እና 1 ይሆናል this becomes x squared plus negative 6x ሲደመሩ negative 5 ሲባዙ negative 6 የሚሆኑ ሁለት ቁጥሮች ስንወስድ negative 6 እና 1 ይሆናል so this becomes negative 6x negative 6x plus x minus 6 divided by 3x squared is greater or equal 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው ይህን ፋክተራይዝ ስናደርግ the numerator becomes x minus 6 times x plus 1 divided by 3x squared greater or equal 0 ይሆናል ይህ ከሆነ as we did before እናደርጋለን ሳይን ቻርት አፕላይ እናደርጋለን and the zeros of the denominator numerator ስንወስድ negative 1 6 እና 0 0 የሚያደርጓቸው value ይሆናል so we apply the value for this one ሳይን ቻርት አፕላይ ስናደርግ the zeros are negative 1 here is 0 here is 6 and so this becomes x plus 1 at negative 1 ላይ 0 ይሆናል at the left negative ነው at the right positive ነው ይሄ ቼክ ማድረግ ይቻላል similarly when you take this x minus 6 this is x minus 6 at 6 ላይ 0 ይሆናል at the left it is negative at the right it is positive last one you can take 3x squared as it is መውሰድ ትችላላችሁ ለምን at 0 ላይ 0 ይሆናል at the left x squared ስለሆነ even ስለሆነ it is positive ይሆናል at the right side ስንወስድም it is positive since it is even function ነው 3x squared the next one we take what it is x minus 6 times x plus 1 divided by what divided by 3x squared again እንሰራለን ማካፈል ስለሆነ እዚህ ጋር ያለው then finally here is the first two the product of the first two negative times negative positive positive divided by positive it is positive ይሆናል ማለት positive it is 0 0 times negative it is 0 0 divided by positive it is 0 ይሆናል when you come to here ይሄኛው positive ነው this is negative positive times negative negative ይሆናል negative divided by positive it is negative ይሆናል ማለት ነው the next one positive times negative 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 divided by 0 it is undefined since at 0 the denominator 0 የሚሆንበት ስለሆነ it is undefined ይሆናል the next one positive times negative it is negative negative divided by positive it is the next one at 6 positive times 0 that is 0 0 divided by positive it is 0 at the right side of 6 ሁሉም positive ስለሆነ positive times positive positive ይሆናል positive divided by positive it is positive ይሆናል ማለት ነው የምንፈልገው ምንድነው greater or equal 0 ስለሆነ it is what 0 as well as positive የሚሆንበትን interval check ስናደርግ the interval is this one ይሄ ይሆናል interval so the value of x that satisfies this property becomes x is less than or equal negative 1 or x is greater or equal 6 ይሆናል ለምን negative 1 እና 6 ላይ 0 ይሆናል at the left of negative 1 positive ነው at the right of 6 positive ስለሆነ you can consider this በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ማሳየት እንችላለን or if you want ይሄንን በኢንተርቫል ስናስቀምጥ x less than or equal negative 1 ማለት negative infinity to negative 1 including it union or 6 to positive infinity including 6 ብለን በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ኤክስፕረስ ማድረግ እንችላለን this is a way of solving this rational inequality በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ኤክስፕረስ ወይም ደግሞ ሶልቭ ማድረግ እንችላለን let's try to see the last one that is d as we did before let's try to collect them in one side ወደ አንድ side collect እናድርጋቸው this means 5 over x minus 1 take this to the left side it becomes minus 4 over x plus 2 is greater or equal 0 ብለን ኤክስፕረስ እናደርጋለን as observed here ዶሜናችን ይሆናል the domain is all real number except -2 and 1 ይሆናል ማለት the zeros of our denominator ብለን restrict እናደርጋለን ሰርተን የምናገኘው ውጤት except this መሆን አለበት ነው ዋናው ኤማችን so what the LCM for this knows x minus 1 እና x plus 2 ስለሚሆን this is the product of them x minus 1 times x plus 2 this divided by 4 x minus 1 ስለሚሆን it becomes x plus 2 ስለሚሆን 5 times x plus 2 here this x minus 1 times x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 it becomes x minus 1 ስለሚሆን minus 4 into x minus 1 is greater or equal 0 ይሆናል ማለት now let's collect like term እነዚህን simplify ስናደርግ የመጀመሪያው 5x ይሆናል 5x minus 4x that is x 5 times 2 10 minus 4 times minus 1 4 ስለሚሆን 10 plus 4 that is 14 1 4 this is divided by x minus 1 times it is x plus 2 is greater or equal 0 ይሆናል ለዚህ ሁለቱም ፖዚቲቭ የሚሆንበትን ኬስ ስንወስድ let's try to apply sign chart እስካሁን እንደሰራ ነው እናደርጋለን ሳይን ቻርት ፐርፎርም እናደርጋለን አፕላይ ሳይን ቻርት ወይም ኬዝ መውሰድ ትችላላችሁ ይሄ ግሬተር ኢኳል 0 የሚሆነው መቼ ነው ኖሚኔተሩም ዲኖሚኔተሩም ከ0 ሲበልጡ ወይም ሁለቱም ከ0 ሲያንሱ ኔጌቲቭ ሲሆኑ ሁለቱም ፖዚቲቭ ሲሆኑ ነው ማለት ነው let's apply our sign chart apply ስናደርግ the zeros of the numerator becomes -14 the zeros of the denominator are -2 and 1 so the numerator becomes x plus 14 at -14 0 ሆነ at the left negative ሆነ at the right it is positive we are familiar for this when come to x plus 2 at -2 it is 0 at the left of -2 negative ሆነ at the right it is positive ይሆናል ማለት when consider x minus 1 it is at 1 0 at the right it is positive at the left it is negative ይሆናል finally take their ratios ratioአችን ስንወስድ x plus 1 4 14 divided by x minus 1 times x plus 2 እናካፍላለን ይህን ስንወስድ what the result this becomes negative divided by negative times negative positive ስለሚሆን it is negative ሆነ left side of -14 -14 ላይ 0 ስለሆነ ኖሚኔተራችን ዲኖሚኔተራችን product that is positive ቢሆንም እንኳን 0 divided by positive is 0 ይሆናል at the right side of -14 denominatorችን ሁለቱም ኔጌቲቭ ስለሆኑ ኔጌቲቭ ታይምስ ኔጌቲቭ ፖዚቲቭ ይሆናል so positive divided by positive it is positive ይሆናል at -2 ኖሚኔተራችን ፖዚቲቭ ነው but the denominator becomes 0 ስለሚሆን positive divided by 0 it is meaningless or undefined እንላለን በኔጌቲቭ 2 እና በ1 መካከል ኖሚኔተራችን ፖዚቲቭ ነው ዲኖሚኔተራችን ፕሮዳክታቸው ኔጌቲቭ ስለሚሆን positive divided by negative it is negative ይሆናል at 1 numeratorችን it is positive but the denominator becomes 0 ስለሚሆን positive divided by 0 it becomes undefined and at the right side positive divided by positive times positive ስለሚሆን we can take here is positive የምንፈልገው ምንድነው it is greater or equal 0 ስለሆነ greater or equal 0 means it is the positive value here we have the other option here we have ሁለት ኦፕሽን ነው so the value of x becomes -14 since it is greater or equal ስለሆነ less than or equal x is less than -2 ለምን at -2 ላይ undefined ስለሆነ here we have only less than እንላለን ማለት or the other option x is greater than 1 እንላለን 1ን include አናደርግ ለምን at 1 ላይ it is undefined ስለሆነ 1 is not in our domain here we have or if you want you have to express using intervals this becomes including -1 4 1 4 means that is -14 between -2 open interval union 1 to positive infinity the value for x is በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ማሳየት እንችላለን ማለት so yes this value is what in our domainአችን ውስጥ ነው ይሄ በኔጌቲቭ 14 እንደ ኔጌቲቭ 2 ኢንክሉድ አያደርግም 1 to positive infinity ኢንክሉድ አያደርግም ዶሜናችን ውስጥ ያለ value ስለሆነ በዚህ አይነት መንገድ equation and inequality of rational function solve ማድረግ እንችላለን። next time how can sketch rational function የሚለውን ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ። እስከዛው ድረስ ቻናሉን ሼር፣ ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ለሌሎች እንዲደርስ እንድታደርጉ ሁሉም ተጠይቃለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ እንደሆነላችሁ እመኛለሁ። ማንኛውም ጥያቄ እንድሰራላችሁ የምትፈልጉትን ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልን። ባይ ባይ።